If you want to improve your overall health, you must take good care of your kidneys. One simple but effective way to do so is to drink medicinal herbal tea. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. It goes without saying that the kidneys are one of the most essential organs in the human body. They help remove waste, maintain fluid balance, and filter minerals and toxins in the blood. This is why we must focus on taking good care of our kidneys and urinary system. As previously mentioned, herbal teas have been used medicinally for thousands of years for everything from weight loss to a full body detox. As I'm sure you're probably aware, they can be used for detoxing the kidneys as well in order to keep them functioning optimally. Herbal teas are often loaded with antioxidants which provide anti-inflammatory effects among other cleansing benefits. Studies found that they can even reduce the risk of developing kidney stones as well in some cases. Some examples that you can consider testing out include nettle leaf tea, turmeric tea, and dandelion tea. Just as the lungs need oxygen, your kidneys require proper vitamins and nutrients as well in order to keep them functioning properly. That is why drinking herbal tea is a refreshing way to deliver these essential nutrients to your kidneys and other body systems. With that said, as always, please be sure to speak with your doctor first. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors, this video is for informational purposes only. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was useful and can help improve the health of your kidneys over time. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I will drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.